to the one and only 2024 SEMA Show.
I told you when I rhyme, I'm a city queener. Make some noise if y'all are having fun here in SEMA.
160,000 people coming to this show.
This is the place to be.
So here's a dirty little secret for you. It's my first SEMA, and I don't want to overstate it, but it's freaking awesome.
It allows us to showcase all of our new products, connect with our customers, connect with future customers. It's just simply unmatched.
Always seen something new, something amazing, something innovative, something creative.
Seeing all the builds, seeing what everybody's put together, just admiring all the work, it's been amazing. Great time, great experience.
With our community, our passion, our drive, and a relentless pursuit of excellence, there is nothing we can't achieve.
SEMA, if you're rocking with me, make some noise. Let's go.